Hey guys, we just touched down in our third destination. It was a quick, short ride. We made it safe and sound. We're excited for our third adventure. Good morning, guys. It is day 4, Thursday morning. Beautiful day out here in San Saba, Texas. And we are gonna be starting on our third job. We're gonna be doing an IAS wireless blockage system, a hydraulic drive system, and then a camera kit, as well as converting this to a John Deere display, John Deere controller to drive the hydraulic drive. So it's early morning here. We're just getting out here. We're gonna get set up and gonna get started. Just take a look up in the cab. Here he's got the original versatile GPS guided system here and the FlexCool system. Because we're doing a John Deere rate controller, we have a John Deere display we're gonna replace this with. So that's gonna be controlling the John Deere rate controller drive back there. So I'll be starting up here, putting up all the display stuff here and a new ISOBus system to run to the back. The customer was just explaining that he had planted several fields, and when he get to the middle or to the end of it, it just would not seed that. So he put this jumper wire deal in here with a switch just to turn the clutches on, which seemed to work for a while, but then it would quit seeding again. He just got so frustrated with it. It wasn't working. He had to go use his old box drill over there just to be able to finish those fields after the other stuff had already come up. So he's ready for something to just replace all that, make it seed the way it's supposed to. Say, Mike, where's the air conditioning in the tractor?
Oh, it's got it. Needs to be running though.
Yeah. It's gonna be a hot day today. Oh, it's good for you. Yeah. Sweet. North Dakota guy, I'm not used to this. Back here out at the cart, and you can see this yellow wire here. This is where the Mike had run a wire just to gauge this clutch over here. So we're gonna be taking all this off right here. Okay, putting this hydraulic drive, it made it safe and sound from Fargo. Everything's looking nice. We're getting ready with the camera stuff already. Dean's doing a great job running wiring, cables, getting that ready and routed. Chuck's over there on the drill, starting the IAS system. Got our nice custom bench out here. But boy, it is hot out here, Mike. Is it always this hot out in Texas?
Welcome to my world.
Welcome to Mike's world. It's about 4 p.m. here, and it is so hot out here. We finally got a little cloud there, but it is so hot just touching this stuff. You burn your hand, the tools and everything. But Dean and Chuck are just powering through. We're getting a lot of this stuff done. We got these sub-assemblies all done. The wireless blockage system, I'd say, is about 80% done. Well guys, I'm working on the display here in the cab. This is something we don't usually do. The display is usually already in here and we just have to integrate. But I am doing everything from setting up the John Deere display itself, putting a new ISOBus system in, running it to the back of the tractor so it can connect into the rate controller. So we got all kinds of wires going on here. It's kind of a mess, but I'll have them all tucked away when we're done. Ready to weld this nut right into here so we can put the John Deere fan speed sensor in. The welder is ready. Weld it down a little low. It is the end of day 4, day 1 at this job site. It is Thursday evening here. The sun is starting to settle and we made really good progress. We got the wireless blockage system mostly done, just a few more hoses to set up. We got the camera kit and the hydraulic drive mostly done, so we're gonna be finishing that up tomorrow. I spent a lot of time up in that tractor, so got the rate controller configured, all that. Just some more settings to play with, tuck the wires away. Good progress today. We're excited to get some food, get some rest, be ready for tomorrow. Hey guys, I've been working all day long on this, integrating the Cruiser 2 from Raven, GPS signal to the 2630 John Deere. I've got everything working, everything hooked up, but I just cannot get the GPS signal to go to the 2630 display. I've got the serial port connections, custom adapter harnesses, custom harness here with the GPS input, and it's just not working. So we've gone through plans A, B, C, D. Called my good friend Corey Book. We were just there doing a hydraulic drive install on his New Holland air cart. He's got a couple of the ITC receiver globes that he's not using anymore. The John Deere receiver knows how to talk the 2630 so that it can read tractor speed and relay it to the rate controller so it knows what to apply for product in the field. It's been a long day. I've been spending hours on this and just can't get it to go. But I'm really excited we got the John Deere receiver coming. Now a big problem is Corey is 2-hour drive from here and we don't have time to wait. So Dean, our pilot, jumped in his plane and he just flew over there. We're so thankful for Corey getting us that to the airport, and we're gonna be hooking it up here, getting this thing going. So in the meantime, Chuck and Dean were active today, getting all this stuff on. I'm now finishing the wiring here. We're really hoping to have this thing running here just another hour or two. So really excited to see this run and be done so we can get wrapped up and head home tomorrow. They made it back. Ready air freight service, right? I was thinking there'd be a flyover. So, thanks Dean. Well, let's take a look at what we got here.
It's green.
Yeah. Thank you, Corey. Green makes everything better, right, Mike? Well, Chuck, it is the end of Friday, day 5. What do you think?
It's a long, hot day.
We've had our good fill of Texas here, but they're hot. And yeah, we got her all tested, working. We got some GPS stuff to work on still, but it's getting dark out, so we're gonna get back, get cleaned up, and see what else we do. It is day 6 here, Saturday. We are so close to being done. We got to finish the wiring up in the tractor. We're just finishing a few little wiring cleanup things over here on the cart. I'm up there in the cooking heat in the cab, trying to get some wires up onto the dash. Chuck's over making a custom bracket for our iPad and other mounts. So we got the whole cab torn apart. Here we're trying to pull out the old wire harness underneath the dash, trying to figure out where we can mount different things. Always a challenge, and each tractor is different. So you got to work through that and come up with a plan and just start routing things. Sometimes it's just got to get worse before it can get better. Have you guys ever had a mess like this? Well, we like to keep it clean, so it's worth the extra effort getting her tucked back in here.
In case you haven't noticed, the white people are melting out here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Out with the old, in with the new. Almost through. There we go. We've got the air cart all filled up with seed. We're ready to calibrate. We've got everything run in the tractor, everything nice and neat, tied down and ready to go. We're gonna jump up in the tractor here, show Mike how to run the iPad, the new John Deere display, rate controller, calibrate all that stuff. We're gonna show him how to do it, and then we gotta hit the airport and head back.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Ready to start?
We are ready to start. Go over here to your Intelligent Ag Recon app.
Help!
Yeah.
See what it says, help.
You see back there, the lights are flashing on their toolbar. You see them flashing?
Red, yeah.
Flashing red is a good sign.
There you go.
Let's see. We got pounds.
Gonna do that with one hand.
Here, I'll let you do it. You're stronger than me. What do we got?
20.4.
20.47. Wow, that's really close for your second calibration. If we subtract the bag, I bet we'll be within 2%.
It ain't gonna weigh much.
Second calibration.
0.6.
Oh man, it's almost dead on.
Nice.
That's incredible.
That's unheard of.
But we got it all done. Hydraulic drive conversion. We got tank camera kits for both tanks, rear backup camera. We pulled all the old stuff out. Super clean, really neat. We got wireless blockage in here. Everything works really well. We ran some treated seed through it and we calibrated. 2 tries, guys, and it was dead on. So really excited about this. We're gonna jump in here. We're gonna get going. We'll catch you guys at the plane. Well, guys, we're at the end of our journey here down in Texas. Mike, it was great to meet you, get to know you. Thanks for hosting us.
I kind of enjoyed it.
Yep. We had
Didn't like riding the chair.
Yeah, right. We had a really good time here. Is there anything we can leave behind for you?
To leave the guns and
Leave the guns and the ammo and the drone.
Especially the ammo, it's real heavy. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna try to get back home to Fargo today yet. It's gonna be late, but we're excited to be able to get going and get done what we got done. But yeah, we'll be up off the ground.
Let me help.
Well, guys, we're heading back to Fargo from Texas, and our plan was to stop in Hutchinson for some fuel. But the bummer is we have a huge thunderstorm coming through. We thought we could poke through an opening, but it's just really bad and we left too late. So we're over here in Wichita. We're gonna have to stay the night here, sleep on some couches. Hopefully we can get going by 2, 4 a.m., something like that. But we'll see. Just one of those things with flying, you never know until the storm passes. We had a quick stop at Texas Roadhouse here. We're hoping that it passes before we get done here and we can get back in the air and home by hopefully 1, 2 a.m. I'm ready. I'm ready for the day. How does it feel?
Feels good, but I'm tired.
Yeah.
I can't imagine Dean's got to be way more tired.
We made it home safe. We're so thankful. Lord's been good to us this week. We're tired. We want to go see our families. So thanks for watching. God bless.